Hello champions and happy Monday. Today we're going to multiply mixed numbers by whole numbers. I know you're going to do a great job, and so does Mr. Smiles. Let's dive right into our video. We're going to start with 4 do now problems. First, write the ordered pair for each point. Remember, when I write the ordered pair, first I count over to find the x-coordinate. How far over is k? Well, k is 1 over. So the x-coordinate is 1. Next I count up to find the y-coordinate. How far up is k? Well, it's 1, 2, 3 up. So the ordered pair for k is 1, 3. What's the ordered pair for a? The ordered pair for a is 4, 5. What's the ordered pair for j? The ordered pair for j is 3, 8. What's the ordered pair for b? The ordered pair for b is 2, 4. What's the ordered pair for y? The ordered pair for y is 8, 0. Now let's add two fractions. What's 5/6 plus 1/5? First, what's the least common denominator of 5/6 and 1/5? It's 30. When I change both fractions so that 30 is the denominator, what does 5/6 become? Well, 6 times 5 is 30. 5 times 5 is 25. When I change 1/5 so that the denominator is 30, what's my new fraction? Well, 5 times 6 is 30. 1 times 6 is 6. What's 25 over 30 plus 6 over 30? It's 31 over 30. How do I write that result as a mixed number? Well, when I divide 31 divided by 30, it goes in one time with 1 left over. So the answer is 1 and 1 over 30. What's 3/5 times 8? First, write your answer as an improper fraction. Well, 3 times 8 is 24, and my denominator stays 5. How do I write that result as a mixed number? Well, 24 divided by 5. 5 goes into 24 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20, and when I subtract, I have 4 left over. So the answer is 4 and 4/5. Now you try a division problem. What's 3,825 divided by 4? First, where would I start dividing in this problem? 3,000s, 3,800s, 382 tens, or 3,825 ones? I could start in the hundredths place. Go ahead and do that division problem now. Check your work with mine. The correct answer is 956, remainder 1. Today we're going to multiply mixed numbers by whole numbers. To multiply a mixed number, first you need to change it into an improper fraction. Then you can multiply like normal, and then change it back to a mixed number. So let's start with 1 1/3 times 4. When I change 1 1/3 into an improper fraction, I can multiply 1 whole times my denominator is 3, plus 1 more is 4 thirds times 4. What's 4 thirds times 4 written as an improper fraction? Well, 4 times 4 is 16 over 3. Now I just need to change it back to a mixed number. What's 16 over 3 written as a mixed number? Well, 16 divided by 3 is 5 with 1 left over. So the answer is 5 and 1/3. Now let's try another. What's 1 3/4 times 3? First, how do I write 1 3/4 as an improper fraction? Well, 1 times 4 is 4, plus 3 more is 7 over 4. What's 7/4 times 3 written as an improper fraction? Well, 7 times 3 is 21, and my denominator stays 4. Now I can divide to write a mixed number. What's 21 over 4 written as a mixed number? Well, 4 goes into 21 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20, with 1 left over. So the answer is 5 and 1/4. Let's try another. What's 3 3/5 times 2? First, how do I write 3 3/5 as an improper fraction? Well, 3 times 5 is 15, plus 3 more is 18 over 5. What's 18 over 5 times 2 written as an improper fraction? Well, 18 times 2 is 36, so that's 36 over 5. Now I need to write that as a mixed number. How do I write 36 over 5 as a mixed number? Well, 5 goes into 36 7 times, with 1 left over. So the answer is 7 and 1/5. Now let's try one last together before you try 4 on your own. What's 5 and 1/4 times 3? Well, first, how do I change 5 and 1/4 into an improper fraction? What improper fraction is that? Well, 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 more is 21 over 4 times 3. What's 21 over 4 times 3 written as an improper fraction? Well, 21 times 3 is 63 over 4. Now write 63 over 4 as a mixed number. 4 goes into 6 one time. 4 goes into 23 5 times. So the correct answer is 15 and 3/4. Now you try 4 problems on your own. What's 1 and 1/4 times 5? Enter your answer as a mixed number. The correct answer is 6 and 1/4. Check your work with mine. Now try another. What's 1 and 3/5 times 2? Write your answer as a mixed number. The correct answer is 3 and 1/5. Check your work with mine. Now try another. What's 7 and 2/3 times 4? Write your answer as a mixed number. The correct answer is 30 and 2/3. Now try one last one. What's 5 and 1/3 times 4? Write your answer as a mixed number. The correct answer is 21 and 1/3. Check your work with mine. You've done a great job on this video. Now it's time for IXL practice. Turn the page in your packet and go to the IXL skill listed. Try to get a SMART score of 90 before you take your exit ticket. Make sure you're showing all of your work on paper.